Hello guys, let me introduce you to C++ today. C++ is a programming language which is also known as middle level language, which means it has a combination of both high level and low level language features. C++ is a statically typed, compiled, general purpose, case sensitive programming language that supports procedural programming. The most beautiful thing about C++ is that it also supports object-oriented programming, which means it supports all those important concepts like polymorphism, inheritance, etc., which we will study in detail in later tutorials. Guys, the most important thing to do when learning C++ is to focus on concepts because in C++, when we will learn object-oriented programming, it is a bit difficult and also different from uh, procedure programming because there are certain things and there are certain techniques that we have to use while programming in object-oriented. Because let us suppose you are making a normal procedure program that will take 10 lines okay, when you are writing a same program in object oriented programming, it will take about 5 lines. Okay, so it will take a half of it. So to write that 5 line of code, okay, you have to learn different concepts, and if you don't understand the concept in object oriented programming, it will be very difficult for you to write a single code because from the first code in object oriented programming, we will use concepts, because without using concept we can't even in object oriented programming I'm talking about, we can't even write a single code. So please, during this tutorial, when we are learning object oriented programming, please focus on concept. Don't focus on how I write the code. Just focus on on the concept. When you understand the concept, writing code will be really easy for you. Okay, guys, this was just an introduction of C++. In the next tutorial, I will talk about which editor to use or which IDE to use for writing C++. Um, okay, there isn't anything more to talk about C++ in introduction because I want to go directly to writing code in C++, and during writing those code, I will tell you and explain you all those concepts in object-oriented programming and also in procedural programming. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll agree to all. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.